Welcome to new topic in the chapter polynomial. If sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given, how can we make a quadratic polynomial? The method is very simple. If alpha plus beta and alpha beta are given, how can we make a quadratic polynomial? That is, sum of the zeros and the product of zeros are given, how can we make a quadratic polynomial? The method is, if you want the quadratic polynomial in x, then x square. If you want it in the y, then y square. X square minus sum of the zeros into x. What is the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta into x plus product of the zeros, alpha beta. This is the simple technique we are using. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. If sum of the zeros alpha plus beta, if the product of zeros are alpha into beta, then we can make a quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum into x, alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Look this question. Find a quadratic polynomial, each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros are respectively. Look the first question. First question, 6 and 8. What is 6? Sum of the zeros. What is 8? Product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is 6 and the product of the zeros is 8. How can we make a quadratic polynomial? If you want the polynomial in x, then you can write p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is x square minus, what is sum of the zero? The first one is the sum of the zeros, 6x plus product. What is the product? 8. So this is the method. X square minus 6x plus 8 is the answer. Look the next question. If sum of the zeros is minus 10 and the product of the zeros is 16. Sum of the zeros is minus 10, product of the zeros is 16. How can we make a polynomial? Simple. P of x is equal to x square minus sum into x. What is sum? Minus 10. Minus 10 into x plus product. What is the product? 16. 16 is the product. That is x square minus minus is plus 10x plus 16. X square plus 10x plus 16 is the answer. Hope it's clear. Moving to the next question. Next question is root 2 and 1 by 3. What is root 2? Sum of the zeros. 1 by 3 is product of the zeros. So the answer is x square minus sum of the zeros. What is sum? Root 2. Root 2x plus product. This is the p of x. This is the p of x. Here you can stop here or you can write what is the fraction here? Fraction is 1 by 3. What is the denominator? Denominator is 3. So multiply throughout with 3. Therefore you will get p of x equal to multiply with 3. Why we are multiplying with 3? The fraction number is 1 by 3. Denominator is here 3. So multiplying throughout with 3. 3 into x square. 3x square. 3 into root 2. 3 root 2x. 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3. What is 3 into 1 by 3? This 3 and this 3 cancel. So what is remaining? P of x is equal to 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the answer. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is the answer. Look the next question. Negative 1 by 4 and positive 1 by 4. What is negative 1 by 4? Sum of the zeros. Positive 1 by 4 is product of the zeros. So it is x square minus 1 by 4 x plus product is 1 by 4. Negative become together positive. So it's x square plus 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4. Now what is the fraction? 1 by 4. What is the denominator? 4. So throughout to multiply with 4, you will get 4x square plus 1x or x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. 0 root 5. Sum of the zeros is zeros and product of the zero is root 5. So alpha plus beta is 0. Alpha into beta is root 5. So its answer is x square minus sum of the zeros into x, 0x plus product of the zeros. So it is x square 0x, no need to write the 0x, x square plus root 5 is the answer. Look the next question. 4 and 1. So simple. X square minus 4x plus 1 is the answer. This is the method. If sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given, then making a quadratic polynomial is easy. How? x square minus sum into x plus product.